back to 20 car. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Unofficial Concept looks like it was carved by wind and fire. With diamond-cut aeroblades replacing traditional side skirts, and a floating LED signature slicing through the hood like a blade of lightning, it's less of a car and more of a myth reborn. The sculpted carbon titanium hybrid body shimmers with an iridescent finish that changes color based on sunlight angle, something no rival dares attempt. Interior specifications. Inside, Lamborghini introduces the world's first AI-integrated cockpit, HYPERVUE. A panoramic OLED dash wraps into the door panels, dynamically shifting UI elements based on driving mode. The seats, clad in bioengineered Alcantara, mold to your posture using micro-adjust sensors. The steering wheel features biometric pulse sensors to adjust cabin climate in real time. Technical specifications. A 5.2 liters V10 twin-turbo hybrid roars at its core, delivering 780 horsepower and 712 Nm torque, mated to a 9-speed twin-clutch transmission. The active aero system self-adapts to driving style, and its graphene core battery enables an all-electric range of 60 km, perfect for city stealth. Performance. 0-100 km height vanishes in 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 340 km height on track. It behaves like a scalpel, precise, reactive, almost telepathic. Competitors. Against the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren Artura, the Huracan Concept wins in visual drama, interior futurism, and raw emotional punch. Price. Expected between $340,000, $370,000. It positions itself as a hyper-exotic halo vehicle. Ownership costs. With titanium components and self-diagnosing maintenance AI, costs are surprisingly moderate, around $6,000 annually. Driving experience. Every throttle touch unleashes thunder, every corner dances under your fingertips. It's part spaceship, part symphony. Pros and cons. Pros: jaw-dropping design, revolutionary cockpit, hybrid power. Cons: limited practicality, niche appeal.